Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert image in Google Sheet Sale by using Google Drive URL or any other website URL. I'm going to show in this video in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Excel sheet. So if you want to add, insert the image inside of this cell, so you can just select the cell first and go to the insert, and here you can see in the insert option you can see the image, and image you have to select insert image in cell. Okay, so now here you can upload from your device, you can click photo from your device, you can get the image from URL from anywhere, just from any source. If you have website, like if I go in Google, so if I go Google, one second, let me search some image. Is YouTube. So just go to the image, and I have opened this image. Just right click and you have to copy image address, come to the sheet and paste it. So you can see image has been appear here. Now you can insert, so it will be appear here. Okay, yeah. So if you want to insert image, if you want to display image from Google Drive in Google Sheet Sale, so go to the insert again, go to the image and click on insert image cell, and go to Google Drive. You can you can display image from Google Photo also with the same email ID. Okay, you have to check email ID from here, and you can insert image from photo and Google Drive with the same email ID. Okay, so go to the insert image we save Google Drive, and here you can select your photos. I just select this one, my logo, and will insert. So it will be insert. Yeah, it will be insert. Yeah, so you can minimize, size, everything from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.